Here is how to merge two dictionaries in a single statement with Python. So here at the top, I define two dictionaries, dict1 and dict2. They both have two keys and two values. And then here, I define the merged dictionary variable called dict_merge, and it's just dict1 and then a bar and then dict2. And this is going to merge the two dictionaries up here so that we're going to have dict merged with key A, key B, key C, and key D. So it'll have all four of these keys. So if I run this Python, let me save it. And if I run this Python file, we get key A with value A, key B with value B, key C with value C, and key D with value D. So all of these are merged into a single dictionary. Now the syntax I just showed you works in Python 3.9 or greater. If you aren't using Python 3.9 or greater, then here's a quick function that can accomplish the same thing. So let me uncomment the function. I'll comment this print statement so we don't see that in the output. So I define a function here called merge two dictionaries, and it takes in dict A and dict B. And first thing it does is it creates a new var called dict merged. That's a copy of dict A, and then it's going to perform an update with dict B, and all the keys from dict B are going to be either updated or inserted into dict merge, and I'll get a little bit more detailed about what those two things mean in a sec, but for now I'll just show you that this is what the function looks like when I call it, and this should do the same thing that this one does up here. So we should get dict merged again, which should look exactly like this one does right here. So I'll run that Python code. And yep, it's the same thing, key A, key B, key C, and key D. So let me comment out that print statement. Before we close, I wanted to make a quick comment on what exactly happens if these two dictionaries have the same key value. So as you can see down here, I have dict1, which is key A and key B, and then dict2, which is key C, and then key B again. So both of these dictionaries have a key called key B. So what is going to happen when I try to merge these two, but they have the same key value, or that they have the same key name, but not the same value tied to that key. So which one of these is going to make it through? And the correct answer there is that the dictionary that you specify last is going to be the one that takes priority in terms of the value that it writes. So since dict2 is the last one here in the statement, it's going to write world into the final dict merged. So let's see how that looks. And we see that key B is in fact world. So just keep that in mind if your dictionaries have keys that are identical, then the last dictionary that you specify in the merge will be the one that gets the value written through. Thank you, and I hope that this video was helpful.